G'day! In today's video I've purchased a MaAnt electric glue remover and I finally got a chance to use it, which is on the frame of this S23 Ultra. I could even try and use my finger and wear it out completely. Righto. That and that, and I'm assuming this is just acting like a little Dremel. Being at these ends here, no, are very Dremel-like. Is there more in here? De-gluing needle. Ah. Allen key. Yep, it's spinning, you can see it down here. Ah, that's the grub screw I meant to put in. No, I'm going to be too lazy for that. So I'll simply make some room. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, it's starting to bind up. More power. There we go. Maybe if I put that grub screw in, it will actually work properly. Oh. These things are tiny. Oopsie. Pretty underwhelming on this particular glue. Yeah, that kind of got rid of that stuff in that corner just fine. Now I think this reverses the direction. Switch between forward and reverse. Long press. Dust lamp. Ooh. So on this particular use case, it hasn't been too great. But maybe if you're removing like glue off like a display or a back cover of something, that may work. But for my use case, not great so far. Granted, it did save my fingertips. I'm still gonna have to go over it anyway. For what I paid, it's fine. It'll find other purposes. I mainly got it for removing the glue off the back of iPhones when I do a screen replacement. So either way, Type-C charging. I'll give it another use, but for now, on the frames, not that great.